In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Roblox codes. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're inside of the Roblox app, what you're going to want to do is select more, and you'll see that there's actually not an option on here to redeem those gift cards. In fact, if you select gift cards right here, it's just going to redirect you to the website anyways, and this option isn't even available on mobile. So what you're going to want to do instead is actually open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and type in roblox.com/home and just make sure that you sign in to the exact account that you're using on whatever your device might be on the website version of Roblox. Once you are signed in to the same account as on your other devices, go up to the very top and delete this little home section and type in redeem instead and hit enter. It's going to redirect you to the redeem Roblox code section. And this is where you can go ahead and enter in your gift card code, your virtual item code, or even your promo code, whatever code you might have, whether it's a physical gift card or a digital one. Just type it in right here and make sure it is spelled correctly. And after you do go ahead and type that in, simply go ahead and hit redeem. And once you do that, the code is going to be applied instantly and you'll be good to go. It's not going to go in your transaction history or anything. And you're not going to have to wait a certain amount of period for this. It's just going to go directly into your account. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.